we are going to start lesson 7. Lesson 6, that who I am, that is over. Now we are coming to the lesson 7, that is fair play. What is a fair play? What do you mean by fair? Either good nor bad, which comes in between, isn't it? That is the fair. Not very good, at the same time not very bad also. Okay. Has your best friend ever done something you thought was wrong? That means in the school also sometimes your friends, some things which they does may be wrong according to you, or it can be right according to you, isn't it? So we see whether that is correct or wrong, isn't it? It is our own opinion. What did you do then? Suppose you see your friend is there and she has done something wrong to you. How do you feel, or what will be your reaction to it? Sometimes you feel angry at the spot when you think that it is a great fault. You feel angry with your friend, and at the same time maybe your some friend also must have understood that it was wrong and may say to you sorry, isn't it? So with that word sorry we can finish that wrong which had happened between you and your friend. Understood now? Did you keep quiet or did you tell your friend what you thought? So because you think that she has done wrong to you, can't you open to your friend and say that it is wrong? Then only your friend will come to know that it is wrong, isn't it? But if you don't tell her, what will happen? She will think that it is right, but at the same time you think she had done purposely to you. Yes or no? Yes. So we should not insult our friends, isn't it? We should not make them feel sad. Understood all of you? Whether it is right or wrong, we have to say to them. Then only they will understand or we will understand, and we can clear our things, isn't it? If we don't clear our things, what will happen? It will be always hurting us, making us feel, isn't it? So it is better to put an end to that. For that, what we have to do? We have to talk each other. Okay, understood all of you? Now, here is a story about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship and enmity. So here, which are the two things what they have to decide? Friendship and enmity. Whether they have to be friend all the time or they have to remain as enemies. So which one you will choose? Suppose you think one person, your friend is in wrong or you are in wrong, and you are maybe your great friend. At the same time, do you like to lose that friendship and become enemy? No, isn't it? We don't want to become enemies. What we want to become? We want to become only friends. Continue our friendship. So now in this lesson, we will see whether they had come to enemies or they had gone with their friendship, or a sense of what is right and what is wrong. That means only thing is we have to understand. We should know what is right and what is wrong. Now we go to the lesson. Jumman Sheikh and Alagu Chaudhary. Who are the two people? Jumman Sheikh and Alagu Chaudhary. Were good friends. So who are the two great friends? Jumman Sheikh and Alagu Chaudhary. So strong was their bond of friendship. That means very strong friends. That when neither of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. So if one friend is out of the village, if he had gone for something to the town or to the next village, if suppose Juman is not there and he is going to some work outside, Alugu will go and look whose family also? Juman's family also. He will take care of whose family? Juman's family. Same, if Alugu is not there, Alugu's family will be taken care by whom? Juman. That much strong friendship was there between Alugu and Juman. Both were greatly respected in the village. So every people in the village also respected them. Why? Because they are having good manner. They are good friends, honored friends. Understood? Juman had an old aunt who had. So now we are coming to the story of Juman. Understood? Juman had an old aunt who had some property. Property means some wealth. Thus she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. So what did Juman's aunt do? She had some wealth, some property. She had given everything to whom? Juman, thinking that till her death, who will take care? Juman will take care. Arrangements worked well for a couple of years. So, they were going friendly, they were going in a happy life. For Juman's family as well as the aunt also. Understood? Then the situation changed. Suddenly, the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old lady. Now they became angry. They did not want to keep whom? The old aunt. Because they did not want to look after the old aunt. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife. Both Juman and his wife started fighting with the aunt, who grudged even the little food. Only little food was given and then the old lady wanted every day. So every day she needs only little food. So for giving that little food also, who started fighting? Juman and his wife. She swallowed this insult along with the food for a few months. So why she is staying with Juman? Because the whole property and wealth was given to Juman, thinking that till her life is over, who will take care? Juman will take care. But after some time, whose nature changed? Who started to change? Juman and his wife started to change. They started fighting with the old aunt. Even for the little food, they started fighting. And the lady, old woman, for some time she was controlling herself. But patience has a limits, but that control has a certain limit. After some time, only for some time we can control, we can be patient, isn't it? Afterwards, what will happen? We will also get angry. We will find more steps how to solve the problem, isn't it? One day she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Obvious means clear. Obvious. Obvious, clear. So, what did the old woman say to Juman? Now I understand. It is clear that you all did not want me in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. So what did she say? You give me monthly allowance. Monthly a little payment, allowance payment. Allowance payment. That means every month you give me little money so that I can prepare food in a separate kitchen. Understood? So why did she ask for that money? Yes, because she had already given all her wealth to whom? To Juman. Isn't it? So all her property is with whom? Juman. So she asked to give me a monthly payment so that I can make So there is no problem, isn't it? My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. So who became angry? Juman became angry and said, you don't want to say anything. My wife don't know how to run a kitchen. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take the case to the village panchayat. So she thought when she asked that payment, sometimes Juman will pay. But now when she asked what happened, Juman became very angry and he supported his wife. He said, okay, my wife will know how to run the kitchen. So the old woman was helpless and she went to the village panchayat. Why did she go to the village panchayat? Yes, panchayat is the body of members who decides all the things, isn't it? So if the lady go with the complaint to the panchayat, now who will take care? The panchayat will see what is the problem. Understood? For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining their case and seeking their support. So in between, the lady used to say the story to everybody and ask their advices. Some sympathized with her. So some people got sympathy with her because she is an old woman and giving all the property what the son is doing, letting her, not giving her even what food also. Others laughed at her. So some people laughed. That means they said, okay, you need that, and they started laughing. And a few others advised her to make up with her nephew and his wife. But some people said, okay, no problem. You adjust with whom? Juman and his wife. But actually, the woman was adjusting, isn't it? For some time she was adjusting with her. But still, they are not coming according to the old man. That is why she went where? To the panchayat. At last she came to Alagu Chaudhary. So who is Alagu? The great friend of Juman. So finally she came to Alagu and spoke to him. You know, Chachaji Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Alagu said. So she came to Alagu and said, this is what Juman is doing. For that, what did Alagu say? He is my best friend. How can I go against him? That means how can I speak against him? That means how I can say that you have to take care of whom? Your aunt. How I can say to him? But is it right, my son, to keep mum? Mum means not to speak anything and not say what you consider just and fair. That means you know that what is right. What he is doing is right or wrong. After knowing, can you be quiet? How can you be quiet? You have to say what is right and what is wrong. But why Alagu was not willing to say? Because their friendship is very strong. Pleaded the old woman. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth. She said, okay, no need of speaking to him. You come to the panchayat and then speak to him. She said, Alagu did not reply, but her words were ringing in her ears. That means he knows what is right and what is wrong, but he was not able to talk with whom? Juman. So the old woman said, okay, you come to the panchayat and say the truth. That was in his mind, what the old woman had said. The panchayat, now that is the story of the aunt and who are Juman Sheikh and Alagu Chaudhary. The panchayat, now the case had come in front of whom? The case had come in front of panchayat. Was held the same evening under an old banyan tree. So in olden times, today only we are having panchayat buildings, isn't it? Big buildings where the panchayat boards are conducted. But in olden times, under the banyan tree or the paper tree, the great people of the leaders of that high respected people of that certain village will come and they will be having a leader, and under under the tree all will be sitting and discussing the matter and finding the solution for their problems. Yes, even under during olden times, people are gathering around the banyan tree. Yes, near the temple also, of course. It is like that. In villages, usually it is being conducted outside. Today, that all had changed and big buildings have been constructed. And so here also the panchayat used to meet where under an old banyan tree. Juman stood and said, "The voice of the Panch is the voice of God." So what the panchayat, what the Panch is saying is equal to the voice of God. So what the Panch, the Veda Panchayat, the member is saying, that is the last voice. It should be thought that it is the voice of the God. Understood? Let my aunt nominate the head Panch. I will abide by her decision. So now my aunt has to say who is the Panch. So let us say who will be the Panch. The Panch knows neither friend nor enemy. That means the Panch will not stand. The Panch will not stand along with the enemy or friend, because he has to be neutral. He has to be neutral. He should not see who is the enemy and who is the friend. All the people are his same only. He has to look upon everyone as the same. How the God is looking. God is not differentiating people, isn't it? That he is rich or he is my friend or he is my enemy, isn't it? Or poor. He is looking all in one eye. The same also Panch also has to look in one eye. He has no friend and no enemy. What is true, he has to say. Fine. What do you say? The Panch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Alagu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of life. So, whom did the aunt say? The Panch will be Alagu, isn't it? So, now who felt happy? Juman felt happy, right? Alagu will not say. Isn't it? Juman thought Alagu will not say anything against whom? Against Juman, isn't it? Why? Because they are great friends. So in his mind he felt happy. Fine, replied Juman. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Alagu. So Alagu said, you know very well I am very friendly with whom? Juman. I know that, replied the aunt. But I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. That means you will not kill you will not say anything against what your soul is saying. Understood? God lives in the heart of the Panch. That means inside you, who is there? God is there. That means Panch is equal to the voice of God. So, and Panch do not have any friend or enemy. So, he has to say what is truth. And his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. Now, she explained the whole thing in front of whom? Alagu. Juman said, Alagu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now I am the Panch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense? So now Alagu asked Juman, said to Juman that you know that we are friends. And how much dear your aunt is to you, she is very much dear to me also, isn't it? That means if aunt is not there, the other will take care of the family also, isn't it? So that dearness is there. And you and aunt are equal before me. What have you say in your defense? So now what you want to say according to the case. 3 years ago. So now Juman is saying what had happened. My aunt transferred her property to me. So 3 years before, she had given me all the property. I promised to support her as long as she lived. Till her death, I promised that I will take care. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. So in between, fight started with my wife and aunt. So I tried to stop, but I was not able to stop. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That is all I have to say. That means now my aunt is saying I have to give a monthly payment, but I am not willing to give her. This is the case. Jummai was cross-examined by Alagu and others. Then Alagu, after cross-examining, Alagu explained, we had gone into the matter carefully. In your opinion, Jummai must pay his aunt a monthly allowance or else the property goes back to her. So finally, they found a solution for the problem, and Alagu said, according to the case, now what the aunt had asked, a monthly allowance. So now Jummai has to pay that monthly allowance, otherwise give her all the property back. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. So after saying that, who became enemies? Jummai and Alagu became enemies. Why did they become enemies? Because Alagu spoke against whom? Jummai. Isn't it? Alagu was standing on the side of whom? The aunt. Isn't it? So Alagu asked Jummai to give her the monthly payment or give her back the property. The bond of friendship between them was broken, so that friendship was broken. Now they are enemies. In fact, Jummai was Alagu's enemy and wanted his revenge, and Jummai was waiting to take a revenge upon whom? Alagu. Why he wanted to take revenge upon Alagu? Because he spoke against Jummai. Understood? Now we will see. Days passed, and as ill luck would have it, Alagu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. And next, so this is the story of aunt and Jummai and how the case was finally settled. Now we are coming to Alagu Chaudhary's time. So what had happened to him? So now he became in a tight spot. In a tight spot means difficulty. Tight spot, difficulty. That means a problem arose to whom? Alagu. One of his fine pair of bullocks died. So his good pair of bullocks died. And he sold the other to Samju Sahu, a car driver of the village. And the other one was given to a driver. That is Samju Sahu. Understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time, and saying that only in words it was said the payment will be given within a month. It so happened that the bullock died with it. But what happened, unfortunately? That bullock also died. Before the payment was given, what had happened? That bullock died. Understood? Several months after the bullock's death, Alagu demanded Sahu of the money he had in it paid. So who did not pay Alagu? Sahu did not pay Alagu. So he was reminding him that you have to give me the money. Sahu got very annoyed. He was surprised. I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. He said, I cannot pay you any money. He bought us nothing but ruin. That means that bullock did not bring me any good thing, only destruction. I have a bullock, use it for a month and then return it to me. No money for a dead bullock. He said, angrily. That means I am having a bullock, you take it for a month and you use it. But what I will not give you? I will not give you the money. Why? Because the bullock had died. Understood? Because what was the promise between them? The money will be paid within a month. And what had happened? Within that month, before payment, what had happened to the bullock? It died. But who was waiting for the money? Alagu was waiting for the money. And what was the answer given by Sahu? That I am not going to give you any money because the bullock had died and I am having a bullock. You take it for a month and use it. Alagu decided to refer the case to the Panchayat. So what did Alagu do? He also thought the case has to bring to Panchayat. So he thought he also has to bring the case to the Panchayat. So what's the case of Juman? Either he has to pay the property or the monthly payment to his aunt. And now what's the case of Alagu? Alagu's case was with the Sahu, that he had not paid the money for his bullock. And what was the answer by Sahu? That bullock had died and he is not going to pay any payment. So two cases of one of Juman and one of Alagu came to the Panchayat. Alagu decided to refer the case to the Panchayat. For a second time in a few months, preparation for holding the Panchayat was made. Now the Panchayat started and the case has to be put in front of the Panchayat. Both of the parties started meeting people seeking their support. The Panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. So where is the Panchayat held in? Under that same banyan tree. Alagu stood up and said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of God. That means what the Panch is saying will be the voice of God. So they have to accept it. Understood? Let Sahu nominate the head Panch. I will abide by his decision. Now who has to bring the Panch? Sahu. Because it is a case between Alagu and Sahu, isn't it? So now Sahu has to say who has to be the Panch. Sahu saw his glance and proposed the name of Juman. So whom did he say? Juman. When Juman's case came, who was the Panch? Alagu came as the Panch, isn't it? Now Alagu's case is coming. Who is the Panch? Is Sahu. Who is coming? Alagu's heart sang and he turned pale. But what could he do? So Sahu, when Sahu's name was said, who became very sad? Alagu felt very sad. Why? Because Sahu will stand only along with whom? Juman, isn't it? So he will not get the money. The moment Juman became head Panch, he realized his responsibility. Sahu saw his glance. Alagu's heart sang and he turned pale. But what could he do? The moment Juman became head Panch, he realized his responsibility as judge and the dignity of the voice. But when Juman became the head Panch, Sahu said Juman's name, isn't it? Now Juman is the Panch. He understood what is the responsibility of the Panch. What is the responsibility of the Panch? Panch has to see only what is right, and he has no friend and no enemy. What is the truth? He has to see. Understood? Why? Because it is the voice of God. He realized his responsibility as judge and dignity of his office. As a judge, he has to follow only the truth. Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? So Juman, first when Alagu had said that friendship had broken and he was waiting for a chance to take revenge upon Alagu, isn't it? So as a judge, when sitting in that judge chair, can he show that revenge? He cannot show the revenge, isn't it? He is the Panch now. So as far as a Panch is concerned, he has to be true in his words. He thought and thought, no, he must not allow his personal feelings to come on the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. So only he has to do justice, isn't it? He has to do only justice. So for justice, he has to see what is right and what is wrong. Both Alagu and Sahu started their case. So Alagu said his case and Sahu said his case. What is Alagu's case? Now, proper, that means aunt is now asking for a monthly allowance, isn't it? And what is Sahu's case? That Alagu is asking the money for the dead bullock. They were cross-examined and the case was considered deeply. Then Juman stood up and announced, "It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Alagu the price of the bullock." So what was the first case of Sahu? Juman said he has to pay the money. Accordingly, what was said to whom? To Alagu. Understood? When Sahu brought the bullock, he suffered from no disability or disease. That means when buying the bullock was not having any kind of disease. After coming to Sahu only, what happened to the bullock? It died. But before, when it was in Alagu's hand, when Sahu was buying, it was not having any kind of disease. So, what has to pay? The money has to be paid. When Sahu bought the bullock, he suffered from no disability or disease. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Alagu cannot be blamed for it. So, we cannot blame who? Alagu, because when bullock was given from Alagu, the bullock was very good. It was not having any kind of disease and it was in good condition. So, what has to be paid? Money has to be paid. But after coming to Sahu only, what had happened? The bullock died, isn't it? So, who is not responsible? Alagu is not responsible. Alagu could not contain his feeling. He stood up and said over and over again, "Victory to the Panjab." So when hearing that, Alagu was happy. Alagu felt happy. Why? Juman did not show any kind of revenge against whom? Alagu. What? Instead of showing revenge, what did he say? He said the truth. What was the truth? That payment has to be done. Victory to the Panchayat. This is justice. God lives the voice of the Panchayat. Soon after, Juman came to Alagu, embraced him and kissed and said, kissed. Soon after, Juman came to Alagu, embraced him and said, he became and kissed him and said, "Since the last Panchayat, I had become your enemy." That means when the last Panchayat was conducted, I became your enemy. Why? Because Alagu had said that Juman has to pay the monthly allowance or the property back to aunt. Then what happened to their friendship? It was broken. I had become your enemy. Today I realized what is meant to be a Panchayat. So today I understood what is Panchayat. Panchayat means, Panch means the person who had to stand according to the right only, according to the truth only. A Panch had no friend or enemy there. All are equal in a friend of the Panch. He should not know he is his friend or he is his enemy. What is the case? It has to come in the right path. He knows only justice. He has to bring only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and road for friendship or anything. Because of friendship or enmity, we should not go away from what? We should not go away from justice. There, when we are in finding out pure justice, we have to keep away our friendship and enmity. Alagu embraced his friend and wept. Wept means cried. He understood that there should not be any kind of revenge. The tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. So both had stood only for the right, isn't it? Because as far as aunt is concerned, she has to be looked upon her. She has to be taken care, isn't it? Because Juman had promised when getting the property, he had promised that she will be looked after by him till the end of her life, isn't it? But in between, what had happened? Fight started and in order to solve the problem, what did the aunt say? Okay, no problem. You give me little payment. With that payment, I will make another kitchen. So no problem, isn't it? But who did not accept that? Juman did not accept that. And in the case of Alagu, the bullock was given. That time it was not having any kind of disease. But after going in the hands of Sahu, it died. So who was not responsible? Alagu was not responsible. Understood the lesson? So we also should be always standing along with the truth only. Justice, where there is justice, then we will not be able to find what enmity over there. Okay, now you understood the lesson.